are some wooden beads, circle wooden beads. We have a light colored wooden bead. If you can find white, perfect, use those. But we just found a light wood that we like to use. You'll also need some string. The length of the string will depend upon the size of your beads. And I'll explain that a little more later. It escaped. We'll get it in a minute. You will need an orange and a black Sharpie or paint marker, just a permanent marker. And you will need some decorative ribbon for a bow or scarf around the neck. You will also need scissors. So what we did is we took our string, and you'll want to make sure that the string is big enough to where when you tie it, it's not going to just slip right through the hole in your bead. So we have a thicker string like this. It's kind of like a ribbon and a string. And you'll want to fold it in half. When you fold it in half, you'll want it to be about, let's see, 3 times the length of the beads that you're using. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's 3 times the length. And actually it's 6 times because it's folded in half. But you'll fold it in half, and then you're going to tie the loop at the top. We don't put the beads on yet, silly. We need to tie a knot in it. You take it off, put it back in the bowl so it doesn't roll away. Mine is nice and tied in a loop, and so it'll fit around the branch, and you see you still have the 2 other pieces hanging like this. So we'll go ahead and tie yours for you since we haven't quite figured out how to tie a knot yet. You want to watch me? Mm-hmm. All right, you'll make a circle. See, I have a circle like this. And then I'm going to take the loop and pull it through the other side. And then just pull it tight. Ta-da! Okay, before we put our beads on, we need to draw our snowman face on there. You want to draw your snowman face on your bead? Your head bead?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Here's our Sharpies. Now, these are permanent markers, so you'll want to be very careful. Actually, you know what? We should probably put the bead on first because that will help you know which direction to draw the face. That way we don't have a sideways snowman face. That would be silly, huh? Mm-hmm. So let's go ahead and put our head bead on first, and then we'll draw the face on it. Go ahead and put your head bead on. Make sure you get both strings through the bead. Good job. Okay, now you'll take the marker and you'll draw the face. See what the snowman face looks like? Just little dots. Snowman has a face, I'll go ahead and put on my 2 remaining beads. Put on your remaining beads. Once you have your 2 beads on, you'll want to tie a knot at the bottom to secure them so they don't slide off your string. And then you'll just want to trim the strings at the bottom accordingly so they look nice and even. Like so. And once you have your body all put together, you can go ahead and draw your buttons. tie it for you?
Yes, please.
Okay.
How do you make this scarf?
The scarf, we're going to use that ribbon over there, and we're just going to tie it around the neck.
Here's mine.
You can use that one. Okay. We're going to trim these like on the others. You ready for the scarf?
Yeah, I got scarf.
Okay. So you'll just take your piece of ribbon that you're using for the scarf, or the bow if you want to make it a bow, and you'll tie it around where the head and the body meet. Alright, and we have our cute little snowman ornament that we are going to add to our tree. This is something.
See you on next video.
This is something super fun and easy to make, and we make a new ornament every year, so it becomes a keepsake, and our tree is filled with memories. We hope you enjoyed this video and making this ornament, and we'll see you next time.